Hello, I'm Stu Patterson with Symetrix, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I'd like to introduce you to our I/O endpoints, the xIO Bluetooth and the xIO XLR series. First off, the xIO Bluetooth. The xIO Bluetooth is a simple, reliable way to bring Bluetooth connectivity into a Dante-based AV system. It is PoE powered, supports Bluetooth 5.0, and gives integrators a clean Wallplate endpoint for spaces where users need to pair a phone, laptop, or tablet quickly and confidently. There are a lot of integrators right now who still need Bluetooth in QSys environments. The important message is that Bluetooth is not limited to Symetrix DSP systems. We have QSys drivers available, so integrators can use Symetrix Bluetooth endpoints in QSys projects where they need a reliable Bluetooth solution. It's built for real installed AV use. You have selectable Bluetooth modes, pin code security, flexible pairing behavior, and LED blackout mode. For rooms that need more source options, the xIO Bluetooth RCA 3.5 models add stereo RCA and 3.5 millimeter analog I/O, so you can support Bluetooth and wired consumer audio sources from the same endpoint. And alongside the xIO Bluetooth, the xIO XLR endpoints give integrators high-performance network mic inline connectivity to the edge of the system. These are Dante-enabled, PoE-powered endpoints with studio-grade conversion, transparent mic preamps, and programmable front panel controls. So they need a strong fit. They are a strong fit anywhere you need a clean, reliable analog I/O to the network. Symetrix endpoints are not locked into only one kind of system, however. Whether you are building a Symetrix system, extending a Dante environment, or solving a Bluetooth need inside a QSys project, these endpoints give integrators a practical, available path forward. If you need more information, please go to symetrix.co. That's Symetrix.co. Thank you.